The Bank of Ghana Monetary Policy Committee has adjusted upwards the policy rate by 250 basis points to 24.5%. According to the Governor of the Bank of Ghana, Dr. Ernest Addison, this is due to raise the inflation rate, even though there has been challenges with regards to the stability of the cedi.
The Bank of Ghana in August this year held an emergency MPC meeting to review developments of the economy. The BOG then announced its decision to increase monetary policy rate by 300 basis points to 22% as part of measures to address the risk to the inflation outlook. Barely 2 months after the announcement, the committee has further adjusted the policy rate upwards. In the coming days, cost of borrowing is set to go up as the Bank of Ghana will be lending to commercial banks at 24.5%. This comes after the announcement of the monetary policy rate by 250 basis points to 24.5%. The Governor of the Bank of Ghana, Dr. Ernest Addison, explains that inflation remains elevated and the balance of risk is on the upside, hence the decision.
Although the forecasts are for monthly inflation to continue to slow down, the risks are on the upside, emanating largely from the pass-through effects of the currency depreciation, the recent upward adjustment in utility tariffs, and rising inflation expectations. The committee remains committed to re-anchoring inflation expectations and returning to a disinflation path. Under the circumstances, the Monetary Policy Committee decided to increase the monetary policy rate by 250 basis points to 24.5%.
Meanwhile, the governor has called for the fast track of the IMF negotiations as its early intervention will help stabilize the economy.
The Monetary Policy Committee recognizes the fact that the current condition is suboptimal and will be interim until agreements are reached on an IMF-supported program. The committee assesses that the engagement with the IMF has been positive and early conclusion of program discussions will help re-anchor stability.
The governor further noted that banking sector performance remained resilient as at the end of August 2022.